to Equal Section. Students, today we are going to discuss some examples on the basis of formula which we have discussed in last video. Suppose our example is y is equal to cos sin x. Here there are two functions. First is cos and then second is sin x. This is the example of function of function. This is not the example of cos x into sin x. Normally as you see cos and this sin x. And this sin x कहाँ पे बेटा? As a cos theta. Theta will be the angle here. Theta is the sin x. So this is the example of function of function. For doing the differentiation of function, we have to apply chain rule. Now we are applying chain rule. Then y is equal to cos sin x. Students, यहाँ पे आपको स्पेशली ध्यान रखना है. There is no two functions. There is no cos x into sin x. There is only one function, that is cos into sin x. This sin x will be considered as a angle of cos. Okay. Now for chain rule, I am just suppose this sin x equals to u. Then this y will be cos u, and we have to find the value of dy by dx. Now here y is the function of u. It means for finding the value of dy by dx, here y का differentiation किसके रेस्पेक्ट में होगा बेटा? u के रेस्पेक्ट में, because y is the function of u. It means dy upon du multiply by u. u is the function of x, so we have to differentiation of u with respect to x. This is the called chain rule. Now we put the value, then dy by dx equals to dy by du into y. y किसके इक्वल हो बेटा? cos u into dy by du of u. u is the equal of sin x. Now value of dy by dx. Now differentiation of cos u. cos u का differentiation क्या होगा बेटा? minus sin u. Because we consider cos u as a sin x. Because differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So differentiation of cos u will be minus sin u, because we are doing differentiation with respect to u. So here there will be minus sin u, and the differentiation of sin x with respect to x will be cos x. Now I am putting value of u, then the value of dy by dx will be minus sin u equals to sin x. So minus sin into sin x into cos x. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपने देखा यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल वो cos into sin x. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस क्या गिवन है बेटा? cos into sin x. So we will consider as a function of functions. इसको आपको cos x into sin x two functions में consider नहीं करना है. Here is a function of function. So we have to apply chain rule for function of function. This question can also solve by direct method. First, this is the chain rule. So we can also solve this question by direct method. For direct method, suppose y is equal to cos into sin x. Now solve this question by direct method. तो बेटा डायरेक्ट मेथड में आपको स्पेशली क्या ध्यान रखना है कि आपको नंबर ऑफ फंक्शंस कितने गिवन है. Here cos is a one function and sin x is a second function. It means there are two functions. First function is cos and the second function is sin x. So first we have to differentiate of first function, then we have to differentiation of second function. When we doing differentiation of first function, then the remaining functions will be considered as a x. It means here first function is cos and the second function is sin x. This sin x will be considered as a x, and for doing differentiation of cos x, there will be minus sin x. It means minus sin and x को क्या कंसीडर किया था बेटा? sin x. So there will be sin x, then multiply by differentiation of this second function, and the second function is sin x, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x. It means final answer for this question will be minus sin x into cos x. So here students, this is the example of function of function. So question of function can be solved by two methods. That can be solved by chain rule or that can be solved by direct method. For chain rule, you have to suppose large functions. There will be 2, 3 or 4 functions. Then we have to start by large function. Large function we will suppose u, then we will solve. In direct method, we have to starting with first function. Here first function is cos and the second function is sine. So one we have to start with cos, then we have to differentiation of sin x. Is it clear? Okay, note down. Students, now we are doing next question on chain rule. It means there is a function of function and the question is y is equal to e to the power sin x square. देखिए आप ध्यान से यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन इज y is equal to e to the power sin x square. This is not a standard function. Here e exponential and the standard function for e is e to the power x, but here e to the power sin x square. It means this is a function of function. So for solving this type of question, first you see how many functions are in their questions. देखिए बेटा, first function is e, then this second function will be sine, because and the third function will be x square, because the sin x is a standard function. Here sin x square, so there will be two functions, one sine, second is x square. So total there will be three functions. First function is e, second function is sine, and the third function is x square. Now we have to find the value of dy by dx. It means now we are differentiation of this question. Now differentiation with respect to x. देखिए ध्यान से, इसका differentiation मेरा कैसे होगा? There is example of function. So first we have to differentiation of first function. Here first function is e, second is sine, and third is x square. Now we have to differentiate only first function, and the first function is e, and the remaining all function will be considered as a x. It means this sin x square, this whole function will be considered as a x, and the for differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. So there will be e to the power x. It means x will be sin x square. So there will be no change. Now we will do differentiation of second function. Now this e का आपने differentiation कर दिया है. Now we will do differentiation of second function, and the second function is sine. For this differentiation of sine, remaining function is x square. So we will consider this x square as a x, and the differentiation of sine is cos. So there will be cos. This x square will be considered as a x. So there will be cos x square. Now e के लिए आपने डिफरेंशिएशन किया, साइन के लिए आपने डिफरेंशिएशन किया. नाउ लास्ट फंक्शन इज एक्स स्क्वायर, देन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर विल बी 2x. इट मींस द फाइनल डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी 2x cos x square into e to the power sin x square. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपने देखा देयर आर थ्री फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शंस. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को जब भी आपको सॉल्व करना है, आपको ये बेसिकली ध्यान देना है कि हाउ मेनी फंक्शंस आर गिवन इन क्वेश्चन. हियर देयर आर थ्री फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज e, सेकंड फंक्शन इज sin, एंड द थर्ड फंक्शन इज x square. For finding the value of dy by dx, first you have to differentiate only first function, and the remaining all function will be considered as a x. For this function e, this remaining function is considered as a x. For e to the power x, there is e to the power x. It means this will be considered as a x. Now we are doing differentiation of second function. For this second function, remaining all function will be considered as a x. For the sin x square, there will be cos x square, and then last we will differentiation of x square. Okay, is it clear? Not down. Okay students, now we are going one more question on basic differentiation. That is y is equal to sec tan root x. First you have to find which type of function you are giving. Here sec tan root x. So this is an example of function. For doing differentiation of function, first you have to count number of functions. Here for y is equal to sec tan root x. देखिए बेटा, first function is sec, second function is tan, and the third function is root x. So there are three functions. First function is sec, second function is tan, and the third function is root. Now we have to differentiation of this function. So for doing differentiation of this function with respect to x, स्टूडेंट्स क्या करेंगे बेटा, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन, ओनली फर्स्ट फंक्शन. The remaining all function will be considered as a x. It means here first function is sec and the remaining function is tan root x. So this tan root x will be considered as a x. It means differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. So here differentiation of sec will be sec. X को क्या consider किया है, tan root x. It means sec tan root x into tan root x. Now we will differentiation of second function and the second function is tan root x. sec x का तो आपने differentiation कर लिया. Now we'll do differentiation of second function and second function is tan. For differentiation of tan, this root x, this is a third function, so we will consider this third function as a x. So now differentiation of tan is sec square, so this will be sec square into root x. Now we will differentiation of root x. As you know, differentiation of root x will be 1 upon 2 root x, as we discussed in starting basic formulas. Because root x will be considered as a x to the power n, so there will be 1 upon 2 root x. It means final value of differentiation of this question will be sec tan root x tan root x sec square root x upon 2 root x. So students, here question is sec tan root x. तो फर्स्ट आप देख रहे हैं कि देयर इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन. तो फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन में फर्स्ट वी हैव टू काउंट नंबर ऑफ फंक्शंस. हियर देयर आर 3 functions. First function is sec, second function is tan and the third function is root x. So for finding the value of dy by dx of such type of function, first we have to differentiate first function. First function is sec, then we have differentiate sec and the remaining all functions will be considered as a x. And for sec x, differentiation is sec x into tan x. So here x will be tan root x. So sec tan root x into tan root x. Then we will differentiation of second function. Second function is tan and for tan differentiation is sec square and the remaining function will be considered as a x. So here root x will be considered as a x. So there will be sec square root x. Then we will differentiation of third function. So this is the final answer for this question. Is it clear? Note down. Now we are going to solve one more question on function of function and that is the y is equal to sin x degree. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको बेसिकली डिफरेंशिएशन में ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन गिवन है, दिस एंगल विल बी ऑलवेज इन रेडियन फॉर्म. हियर एंगल इज गिवन इन डिग्री. So first we change the degree into radian form. How we change degree into radian? We multiply by pi by 180 to change degree into radian. So here y is equal to sin x degree. Now we changing this degree into radian, then multiply by pi upon 180. So the question will be y is equal to sin pi x upon 180. Here students, we have to find dy by dx of this function, but this function is not a standard function, not a sin x function, because this x is multiplied by pi upon 180. It means there are two functions. There is a function of function. First function is sin and the second function is pi x upon 180. So for doing differentiation of such type of function, first we have to differentiation of first function, then second function. When we doing differentiation of first function, the second function will be considered as a x. For this question, differentiation with respect to x. Now value of dy by dx. Now first function is sin and the differentiation of sin is cos, and we will consider this whole function as a x, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x. So here there will be cos pi x upon 180, and now we are doing differentiation of second function, and the second function is pi x upon 180. For pi x upon 180, pi upon 180 is a constant, so we are doing only differentiation of x, and the differentiation of x will be 1. It means value of dy by dx will be pi upon 180 into cos pi x upon 180. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स हियर क्वेश्चन वाज sin x डिग्री. तो आपको यहाँ पे बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स जो मिस्टेक करते हैं वो डेट इज द sin x डिग्री, और डायरेक्ट सॉल्व कर देते हैं sin x डिग्री फॉर देयर विल बी cos x डिग्री. बट आपको स्पेशली इस क्वेश्चन में ध्यान रखना है देयर x for trigonometry function this angle will always in radian form. If angle are not given in radian form, then first we change this degree form into radian form. Here there is a sin x degree. So we change this x degree into radian by multiply pi upon 180. Then this question is function of function. For doing differentiation of function, first we have to count number of functions. Here two functions. First function is sine and the second function is pi x upon 180. For differentiate, first we have to differentiation of first function and the remaining function will be considered as a x. So here sine, this function will be considered as a x. So cos pi x upon 180. Then we will do differentiation of second function and the second function is pi x upon 180. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay, is it clear? Note down. Student, now we are discussing one more example of function, and the question is y is equal to a to the power 10 3x. This is the example of function. So in solving such type of example, I have told you first you have to count number of functions. Here y is equal to a to the power 10 3x. देखिए बेटा, first is the function is a, second function is 10 and the third function is 3x. So there are three functions. First function is a, second function is 10 and the third function is 3x. So for finding the value of dy by dx, it means differentiation with respect to x for this function. First we have to differentiate of this a, and the differentiation of a to the power x, as I told previous video, a to the power x equals to a to the power x log a. Here this 10 3x, for a to the power 10 3x we have considered 10 3x as a x, and the differentiation of a to the power x, a to the power x के लिए differentiation क्या होता है बेटा, a to the power x log a, and here we will consider 10 3x as a x. So differentiation will be a to the power 10 3x into log a. Now we will do differentiation of second function, and the second function is 10, and for 10 there will be sec square x, and this 3x will be considered as a x, so there will be sec square 3x. Now we will do differentiation of third function, and the third function is 3x. So for 3x there will be no differentiation of 3, only differentiation of x, and the differentiation of x with respect to x will be 1, so there will be only 3. It means final value of differentiation of this function will be 3 sec square 3x a to the power 10 3x into log a base e. So students, यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए, क्वेश्चन गिवन था a to the power 10 3x. So this is example of function. तो function of function में first आपको क्या काउंट करना है, number of functions. So there are three functions. First is a, second is 10 and the third is 3x. So first we have to differentiation of a to the power x, and that is a to the power x log a. When we differentiation of a to the power 10 3x, we consider whole this 10 3x as a x. So a to the power 10 3x into log a. Now we will differentiate 10 3x. For 10 3x we will consider 3x as a x. So there will be sec square 3x, then 3x, there will be 3. So this is the final answer for this question. Is it clear? Okay, note down. Students, now we are going one more question on function of function. How we solve differentiation of function. And the example is y equals to 10 log 1 plus x square. So for solving this type of question, first we have to count number of function, because there is a no standard function, because 10 is a standard function 10x, but here 10 log 1 plus x square. So first we have to count number of functions. There are tan is a one function, log will be second function, and 1 plus x square. This 1 plus x square will be third function. So there are three functions. Now we have to differentiation of this function. For differentiation of this function, first we have to differentiate only first function, and the remaining function will be considered as a constant or as a x. Now first function is tan, and the remaining function log 1 plus x square will be considered as a x, and the differentiation of tan is sec square x. So there will be sec square, and the x will be considered as a log 1 plus x square. So sec square log 1 plus x square. Now we will doing differentiation of second function. tan का तो आपने कर लिया. Now we will do differentiation of second function, and the second function is log, and this 1 plus x square, this 1 plus x square will be considered as a x, and the differentiation of log is 1 upon x. So here there will be 1 upon 1 plus x square, because log x का differentiation क्या होता है बेटा 1 upon x, और here x क्या है 1 plus x square. So there will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then now we will do differentiation of 1 plus x square. This is the third function, and for doing differentiation of 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square is a composite function, and for this composite function first we have to differentiation of 1. 1 is a constant, so there will be 0 plus differentiation of x square, and the differentiation of x square will be 2x. From which formula? This will be from x to the power n. Now differentiation of this question will be, now final answer will be 2x sec square log e 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square. So students, here this is the example of function of function. In such type of example, first you have to count number of functions. Here there are three functions. First is tan, second is log, and the third is 1 plus x square. First you have to differentiate first function, that is tan. When we differentiate this tan function, the remaining function will be considered as a x. So there is a sec square, this function is considered as a x. So this sec square log 1 plus x square. Then we will do differentiation of log. For log, this 1 plus x square will be considered as a x. For log x, there is a 1 upon x, so here there will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then we will doing differentiation of 1 plus x square. For 1 plus x square, there are two functions in composite form. So first we have to differentiation 1, then we have to differentiation of x square. So this is the final answer for this question. Is it clear? Note down. Students, now we are going to solve one more question on function of function, and that is the y is equal to log base e sec x plus tan x. First you have to count number of function, because this is not a standard function. For log, standard function is log x, but here log sec x plus tan x. So here the function is y equals to log base e sec x plus tan x. So now you have to count number of functions. Here first function is log, and the second function is sec x plus tan x, because sec x plus tan x both are standard function and in composite form. So we will consider sec x plus tan x as a one whole functions. Now we have to differentiate of this function with respect to x. Now value of dy by dx. For solving such type of question, first we have to differentiate first function, and the first function is log, and we will consider remaining function as a x, and the function of log x differentiation will be 1 upon x. So here there will be 1 upon sec x plus tan x, because sec x plus tan x is considered as a x, so there will be 1 upon sec x plus tan x. Now we will doing differentiation of second function, and the second function is sec x plus tan x. So this is the function is composite form, sec x plus tan x. So differentiation of sec x plus tan x will be doing as a separate function. For sec x there will be sec x tan x, and for differentiation of tan x there will be sec square x. Now solve this equation. Then dy by dx equals to sec x tan x plus sec square x upon sec x tan x. Now students, now I am taking sec x common from numerator. Now I am taking sec x common from numerator. Then remaining functions will be tan x plus sec x upon sec x plus tan x. Now this sec x plus tan x is cancelled. So final answer for this question will be dy by dx equals to sec x. So students, here question was log sec x plus tan x. This is example of function or chain rule. So for solving this type of questions, first we have to find number of functions. Here there are two functions. First function is log and the second function is sec x plus tan x. Because sec and tan both are in standard form and this is the form of sec x plus tan x. So we consider sec x plus tan x as a one whole function. First we have to differentiate log and the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Here x will be considered as a sec x plus tan x. So there will be 1 upon sec x plus tan x. Then we have to differentiation of sec x plus tan x. For differentiation of sec x tan x plus differentiation of tan, there will be sec square x. Then we simplify the equation, then find the value of dy by dx, that will be sec x. Is it clear? Okay, note down. Students, now we are doing one more question and that is the y is equal to log e x square and we have to find dy by dx. First you have to check the which type of question is given. Here there is a function of function because log x is a standard function, but here क्या given है आपको log base e x square. It means this is not a standard function. This is a question of function. So in such type of question, first we have to count number of functions. Here this log will be first function. This log will be second function, and x square, this will be third function. It means there are three functions. Now we have to find value of dy by dx. For doing differentiation of such type of question, first we have to differentiate only first function and the remaining function will be considered as x. So here first function is log and the remaining function, this log x square, will be considered as x and the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So here there will be 1 upon log e x square. बेटा ये यहाँ पे क्यों आया? Because this log x square is considered as a x. So differentiation of this log is 1 upon x square. Now we have to differentiation of this second function and the second function is log. Second function is log and the third function is x square and this third function x square will be considered as a x and the differentiation of log will be 1 upon x. So here there will be 1 upon x square. Now we will do differentiation of this third function and the third function is x square and the for x square there will be 2x. So final differentiation of this question will be 2x upon x square log base e x square. This x can be cancelled, so value of dy by dx will be 2 upon x log x square base e. So students, here question was log base e x square. First you have to check that which type of question is given. Here there is a function of function. There is a three functions. First function is log, second function is again log and the third function is x square. So first we have to differentiate first function and the remaining second, third function will be considered as a x. So this function is considered as a whole x and the differentiation of this log will be 1 by x. Then we have to differentiate of this second function. For differentiation of second function, this remaining third function will be considered as a x and the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So there will be 1 upon x square and differentiation of x square will be 2x. Then we solve, then this will be a final answer. Is it clear? Okay, note down. We will meet in next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.